Hey K-drama fans! Today we are diving into the top 10 historical K-dramas that will keep you completely hooked. From epic love stories to thrilling palace intrigue, these dramas are packed with everything you love. Let's get started. 10. Missing Crown Prince. Missing Crown Prince is a captivating Korean historical drama set in the Joseon dynasty. The series revolves around Crown Prince Yegan, who is kidnapped by Choi Myung-yoon, a woman destined to be his wife. As they flee together, a romantic relationship develops between them. The story unfolds amidst the intricate political landscape of the royal court, where power struggles and betrayal are rampant. The prince and the woman must navigate treacherous waters, facing numerous challenges and dangers. Their journey is filled with heart-wrenching moments, as they grapple with their growing feelings for each other while also trying to survive the perilous circumstances they find themselves in. 9. Rookie historian Gu Hee-ryung. Set in the early 19th century during the Joseon dynasty, the drama follows Gu Hee-ryung, a woman who challenges gender norms by becoming one of the first female historians in the palace. While navigating palace politics, she also forms a close bond with Prince Yi-rim, a reclusive writer. While popular, this drama gained popularity for its feminist themes, light-hearted romance, and charming performances from its leads. It provided a fresh take on historical dramas by highlighting gender equality in the struggles of women in traditional societies. 8. Empress Ki. Empress Ki is a historical drama that follows the life of Ki Sung-en-Wyeong, a strong and skilled woman who rises from humble origins to become the Empress of the Yuan dynasty. The drama focuses on her love triangle with King Wang Yu of Goryeo and the Yuan Emperor, Ta Hawan. It explores her struggles for power and survival in the dangerous world of politics, love, and betrayal. Known for its gripping story, intense emotions, and grand production, Empress Ki became widely popular for its strong performances, particularly by Ha Ji-won as the lead. 7. The Red Sleeve. At number 7 is The Red Sleeve, a beautifully tragic romance set during the reign of King Jengjo. This drama follows the emotional love story between the king and his court lady, Deok Aim. Based on true historical events, the show explores the tension between love and duty, as Deok Aim chooses her dignity and freedom over becoming the king's concubine. The chemistry between Lee Jun-ho and Lee Se-young is palpable, and the drama's gorgeous cinematography will keep you mesmerized from beginning to end. If you love a good, emotional romance, The Red Sleeve is perfect for you. 6. Moon Lovers, Scarlet Heart Yo. At number 6, we have Moon Lovers, Scarlet Heart Yo, a fan favorite that blends fantasy and history. This time travel romance follows a modern-day woman, played by IU, who is transported back to the Goryeo dynasty, where she becomes involved with multiple princes vying for the throne. With a stellar cast, including Lee Joon-gi, Kang Ha-neul, and Baekhyun, Moon Lovers is known for its beautiful cinematography, tragic love story, and unforgettable characters. Just make sure to have tissues ready for the heartbreaking ending. 5. My Dearest. This historical melodrama follows an epic love story amid the Qing dynasty invasion of Joseon in the 1630s. Yoo Gil-chae, played by An Yoon-jin, is a cunning noblewoman who spends her days manipulating the men of her village and pining for her best friends. Yoon-ae, played by Lee Da-in, fiancé, Nam Yoon-jun. Her schemes take a turn once she has an unlikely connection with new arrival Lee Jung-haen, a mysterious nobleman hiding a dark secret. Once their budding love is interrupted by war, Jung-haen and Gil-chae must navigate harsh trials to find their way back to each other. 4. Mr. Sunshine. Taking the third spot is the critically acclaimed Mr. Sunshine, a beautifully short drama set during the late Joseon period. This series follows Eugene Choi, a Korean boy who escapes to the United States, only to return years later as a U.S. Marine. Torn between two worlds, Eugene becomes embroiled in the fight for Korean independence while navigating a forbidden love story. With its breathtaking cinematography, historical depth, and emotional intensity, Mr. Sunshine is a must-watch for fans of epic, heart-wrenching storytelling. 3. Warring, The Poet Warrior Youth. At number 3, we have Varang, The Poet Warrior Youth, a coming-of-age historical drama set during the Silla dynasty. This series follows a group of elite young warriors called the Varang, who are tasked with protecting the kingdom, while also navigating friendship, loyalty, and romance. The ensemble cast, including Park Seo-joon, Go Ara, and Park Hyung-sik, brings energy and charm to the screen. With a blend of action, comedy, and heartfelt moments, Varang shows us how a group of young warriors grows into legends. 2. Mr. Queen. This hilarious genre-bending drama is a must-watch for anyone interested in a time-traveling, body-swapping comedy with a hint of romance. In the present day, Jung Bong-hwan is the virtuoso, womanizing head chef at the Blue House. After he gets in an accident and nearly drowns in his apartment swimming pool, he wakes up in the body of the Queen of Yosan, Kim So-young. As the time traveler gets used to 19th century palace politics, they also need to contend with their irritating husband King Cheol-yong, who's hiding secrets of his own. 1. Kingdom. Kingdom is a historical Korean drama set during the Yosan dynasty that blends political intrigue with a zombie apocalypse. The story follows Crown Prince Lee Chang, who uncovers a mysterious plague turning the dead into zombies while investigating his father's illness. As the outbreak spreads, Lee Chang must protect his kingdom from both the deadly plague and the political conspiracies within the royal court. The series explores themes of power, corruption, and survival, with stunning visuals, period costumes, and a gripping narrative. Its unique combination of historical drama and horror has earned it global acclaim.